In this video, I'm going to be reviewing TubePal. TubePal is a cloud-based app that allows you to manage your YouTube channel, but also do some additional things such as auto replying to comments, auto liking. You can create comments, templates, and you can reply to comments based on keywords and so on. It's quite a unique setup. I'm not seeing this in any other similar app. There've been a few around, but this one's a bit more polished and it's got some nice features on there. I've got access to it. I'll give you a demo in a few moments. I've got some bonuses for you if you actually click on the link and buy from the link in the description. Okay, the first bonus I've got for you is a YouTube video SEO tutorial I made on how to improve your SEO and how to optimize your videos to make them rank higher. The second bonus I've got is how to get free traffic to your YouTube videos. That's also a tutorial I made. Another video I made for you is how to get instant traffic to your videos. And the final bonus I've got is a YouTube authority video course. So all of these are available via the link down below, and you'll get them sent straight to your inbox. You can watch them whenever you want. Let's get back to TubePal. And this is the sales page. There's a bit of information on here about what it does, but I'll get into the demo in a second. There are some features I like, some unique features. One of them was the ability to reply to comments based on keywords. So an example they gave, so just say you've got a festival like Christmas, or right now we've got Ramadan, we've got Easter and so on. If someone says Happy Easter or Happy Ramadan, you can auto-reply Happy Ramadan, Happy Easter and so on. I'm not seeing that filtered comment option anywhere else. So that's a nice little feature. And the reason why you want to be focused on comments and interactions is that the more interaction and comments you get, especially when you launch a video, it will give your video a little boost, and I know for sure that it really helps. You can set up a link wheel, so you can set up certain videos that you want to promote inside your link wheel, and you can put that into other video descriptions on your channel, and that'll just give you more authority, give you a bit of a boost. That's also a nice feature. We've also got a tracking feature where you can track your video rankings by keyword. Also, they give you some analysis and analytics on your videos, your channel, your comments, your watch time and so on. That's quite nice. They've got a really useful search engine, which initially doesn't seem like much, but when you actually click on it and you actually see how it works, they give you a lot more features than YouTube themselves give you. So you can search by channels with a lot of comments, videos with a lot of comments, videos with a lot of views and all sorts. So yes, it's a nice search engine. And you can also manage and set up your video playlist and so on. So let me see. They give you some examples of some of their results. I think I should get into. Actually, let me see. It's launching on the. Where is it gone? It's launching on Sunday the 17th, 11 AM Eastern and 4 PM UK. If you look in the link in the description, if you look in the description below, I've got a link there for you to buy with my bonuses, and I've also got some coupon codes for you. So the first coupon code is the biggest discount you'll get, which is 15%, and the second coupon code is for 12%. So the first coupon is only for the first 3 hours. So from 11 AM Eastern for the next 3 hours you'll get 15% off, and then the second coupon is available after that. You'll get 12% off. So that's all in the description down below for you. So they give you some little gifs of their features. I'll get into the demo in a second. You can also subscribe to channels. So if you subscribe to other channels and see those channel authors notice and they subscribe to yours, you can build up your subscriptions that way. Also, you can auto comment on other channels as well on the videos, and that way people will notice your comments and they'll go back and look at your channel. Let me see. Let me get straight into the demo. Okay, so I'm actually connecting my channel to this, and I'll go through some of the options. This is the main dashboard. So you need to first connect your account under social accounts. That's just basically a Google login page. It uses the Google auth to add your channel. So you've got channel manager here. You can create a like and comment campaign, a subscription campaign. You can access a video manager, playlist manager, and upload a video. So like and comment campaign. So you can give the campaign a name, so just say affiliate marketing campaign or something. You can select a channel, and then you can do it by keyword or channel. You can auto like. You should set up templates beforehand, but you can set up a template, and you can use targeted channel IDs. You can have daily max activities, so maybe 2 to 4 actions per day, and you can set an expiry date. This is the template manager, so auto reply template. So auto reply, so if someone says thank you, you can say, have an auto reply, you're welcome. You can delete offensive comments. You can put in any swear words or any comments that you don't want. You can put the keywords in here, it will auto delete them. And you can have generic replies or filtered replies. So with a filter reply, so if someone says thank you, you can just write, oops, you're welcome. So whenever it sees this filter word here, it will auto reply with this message, which I thought is a nice feature, because just say you've got festivals coming up like Christmas or something, someone says Happy Christmas, you can put Merry Happy Christmas to you too, and I'm not seeing this option in any other app like this, so I thought that was nice. And you can also do multiple replies, so you can reply to comments twice or more, and you can just add more messages to match and so on. Let's go to their search engine. So say for example, put in WordPress. So you can do it by date, rating, title, video count, view count, and so on. Do it by view count. And you can choose the location, choose the date, choose radius, channel ID, and all these different options here. The definition, there's HD or standard, license, and so on. What I like is that it gives you a lot of information about the video. And you click on it, you get the tags and the keywords. You can download them using your own videos. So yeah, that's a nice feature. Oh, oops, let me get back into it. Okay, I'm back. I closed the wrong tab. Okay. You can search by channel and by playlist. We've also got video tag finders. You can just put in a video ID and it will find all the tags for you. This is your reporting on your activity with your auto reply campaign. This is where you do rank tracking, so you can add your keyword and then it will give you your tracking results on the dashboard. And this is your link wheel. So what you can do, you can add your videos, whichever ones you want, to the link wheel. And it will auto put them into the videos, and you will be able to get more traffic onto your videos. So that is the overview of the front end features. So like I said again, if you click on the link down below and you read the description, I've got a discount coupon there. It's only valid for the first 24 hours and there's time limits as well. So you can get 15% off or 12% off, and also you get my bonuses if you buy from my link. It's all of my YouTube videos that I mentioned at the beginning, and you'll get all that automatically sent to you. So hope you find it useful. Do subscribe if you want more reviews, and I've got some free training coming up. So yeah, sign up and I'll see you in the next one.